In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add payment methods on Shopify. But before we dive into this, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about managing payment methods on your Shopify store, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to your Shopify account's main page. Scroll down on the left-hand side and click on the Settings tab. Within Settings, select Payments. Here, you'll have the option to choose different payment providers that enable you to accept various payment methods from your customers. These providers might charge additional fees for their services, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Select a payment provider of your choice, some of the well-known or any other provider you prefer. Then, activate your selection to proceed. You can enable the test mode to simulate checkout transactions, ensuring everything functions correctly. Enter the required information accurately for this to work seamlessly. After completing the necessary information, navigate back and proceed to add supported payment methods. Click on Add Payment Method and browse through the available payment options. You can choose among various options like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and other payment methods that align with your business requirements. For instance, if you choose Visa, select it and proceed. You can repeat this process to add multiple payment providers like to checkout. Once done, connect all necessary information and payment methods. That's it. Managing payment methods on Shopify is straightforward and allows you to offer diverse payment options to your customers. Whether it's credit cards, e-wallets, or other modes, you can tailor your store's payment options according to your customers' preferences. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide. Your engagement inspires us to create more insightful content. For further tutorials and resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching.